yes, we are one of the crazy ones who are going to be out here in this rain. We got rain moving in this morning. Going out to my buddy's Jeff out here, I believe it's in Shelby County, just past Spencer here in Taylorsville. And hopefully put a doe or a bucker. We got Chris, we're going to try and get him on his first deer, and hopefully we'll get a double down today and get 2 on the ground. But I figured we'd do this interview on the way in while I'm driving real quick, because my throat's kind of been messed up a little bit here the past few days, and if I try to talk softly, then it comes out as a whisper and you can't hear what I'm trying to say. So stick with us. We'll hopefully get you some good footage. We're going to be hunting this blind out in the field. It's about 16, we call it the tower, 16 foot up in the air, and you can see about 200 or 300 yards all the way around you, and it's all wood lines all the way around us. So it's a pretty cool stand, and I don't think we have a kill out of it since we put the tower up yet. We just put the tower up last year, so we have some cameras on the edges and some corn out. We've had some good photos of some really nice bucks that have made it through all the gun season. They've almost made it. We only got, like, this coming Sunday will be the last day of gun season here in Kentucky. So fingers crossed we'll get us a Thanksgiving buck, or at least a Thanksgiving deer. Get it ready. Hopefully she'll come up this way. She's looking over here something. Come on, turn around. Yeah, she's going down. It's alright though, they didn't spook. She didn't spook, we'll keep an eye out, they'll be back. Is there right behind us? What's that? It might be another small one. I can't tell. I'd take one of them over. Did you ever record? Hang on. Yeah, it's recording. She's quartering away real bad. Hang on just a minute. Turn this way. She'll move around in a minute. There you go. Yeah, go for it. Dropped her. Rocket another one. Well, guys, we did it. Chris dropped one. We had 3 come in. How's it feel to get your first harvest?
Pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet. So we kept seeing him come in today and round down back in there. And then I walked over there and he shot and dropped, and right there at that red bush, she dropped and then drug herself down in there. So we're gonna go do some blood today. I don't know if you can see it. I think the turkeys have moved on. We've had turkeys all up in there for like the last 30 minutes. Yeah, that shot probably took them. They probably took off running after that. So let's climb down real quick and we'll see what we can get. Alright guys, it is 11:30. We sit out here on Thanksgiving Day and we've had about rain since we sit here just before dark till just about the last 20 minutes ago. And we had some does come in. Chris was looking out the back of the blind up here and he said deer. So we seen the mama deer and she was smart and stayed in that thick stuff. We never could get a shot at her, but we got at least his first deer down. So let's go find it. Chris, I'm gonna hold the GoPro and go walk. We're gonna go find some blood, hopefully.
Some of that.
Are you shaky still?
Yeah, I am.
Got that buck fever going.
Some of this ground grass over here, when it moves sometimes, I thought it was a deer.
Yeah.
Like, man.
Your eyes play tricks on you when you're deer hunting. Everything seems like it's a deer. So, straight ahead right there in that red brush. Just hope she didn't run down this hill because this hill is huge. It's pretty steep right here, ain't it? Let's see if we can find. I think she's right here, Chris. I got hair right there. There's hair and blood right there. Oh, she's right there.
Oh.
Yeah, buddy. It's a little one, but you know what?
Hey,
it's your first one.
Better than no one.
Get up in here and all she did was drag herself down right there. Got a good little 80-pounder.
Oh, I didn't hit her in the right spot.
No, you did.
Oh, I did?
The way she was standing, you wanted, when she's quartered like this, you wanted to shoot farther back so it goes through the body and comes out the front.
Oh, good. I wasn't sure really.
Perfect shot.
Still
Cool.
on. Get some,
It's exciting getting somebody out, finally getting their first deer. Now we can get some pictures and